Hey everyone, Paul here with Gander Outdoors. And today I have Berkley sleeve crimping pliers. Make your own leaders with ease and comfort using these crimping pliers. Their spring-assisted design allows for simplified one-handed operation. The carbon steel jaws feature a corrosion-resistant composite coating for long-lasting and extreme durability. For extra security, an adjustable lanyard is included. Get ready for your next adventure by making your own leaders with the Berkley crimping pliers. Thanks for watching. For this and other great products, shop online or visit your local Gander Outdoors.